What are you doing?
I'm in my video, guys. You're gonna be recorded in that. This is a lot of salad. Look at this salad.
Oh.
You know what? I think I need to put it in a plastic or something. You know, for it to cover. Quiet! Look. Guys, then the last recipe would be the lumpiang gulay, and then I'll put this in the fridge to cool this down, and then after the lumpiang gulay, birthday,
Mommy.
Okay, let's go blow the candle. Ready to blow, Brian? Ready, blow. Brian, blow. Everybody, let's blow together. Yay!